So the brownies are ready. And this is what it looks like. Super good brownie. Can't wait to try it.
Hi everyone, this is Nika in NicainSRQ, and today we have our special guest, my beautiful niece Isabella. She wants to make brownies, and she wanted to be part of the video, so she's gonna be the star today. So go ahead, Bella.
So we got brownie mix from the store, brownie icing, one quarter of water, 1/3 of oil, and 1 egg. We also have a pan that's non-stick. We put oil and sprinkled some flour on it, and you're gonna set your oven to 350. Oh yeah, kids, if you're making this, make sure you have adult supervision before using hot objects. So we're gonna make the brownie mix. So first, you're gonna pour the brownie mix, all of it. And then you can pour all of it. Then you pour the egg. Then the vegetable, then the oil. You can use any oil if you want. It's not car oil. You just don't want to use that one. Then add the water. Grab your spatula and mix. Mix until it's good mixed. It might get a little hard, but that's okay. You can ask an adult for help if it gets really too hard. But see this? See this? This is what you want. Wait. This is what you want. So it might look like this, like the brownie might look like this because we haven't opened this yet. So keep mixing. If it gets way too hard, you can switch spatulas if you want. You don't have to. Just keep stirring. Yum. It looks like frosting. Doesn't it look like frosting? It looks really, really good that you can eat. Okay, Auntie Edith, can you help me pour
Yes,
it
baby.
in?
I can.
Okay.
Scrape this yumminess from the
I really want to lick that. I really want to lick that spatula.
You do?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm just gonna put it here. I don't know if you can lick that, but all right. So
I'm just gonna scoop all of it inside. You want to scoop all of it, not like half and half. Well, I guess you could do half and half. You could put walnuts in it if you want. But you don't really have to if you don't like walnuts.
You're doing a really good job. It smells chocolatey.
Yum. Okay.
I bet your dad and Uncle Mark are gonna love this dessert you're making for everybody today.
I think they're gonna like it. Don't tell them, but I think they're really gonna like it.
Yeah, okay, I won't tell them. You want me to help you with the last bit of it?
Yes, please. You want to scoop all of it. All. When I say all, I mean all. Not a little tiny bit. All. Because you want to scoop all of it. So once you got help, or like you can do it yourself, then once you're done, you're gonna take I'm gonna use this spatula.
Yes.
Then you're gonna take it and you're gonna spread it. You're gonna spread everywhere. Just spread. Even in the corners. Spread, spread, spread. This is really so satisfying. And this would probably like make a good dessert for like Christmas or Christmas or like Thanksgiving. Couldn't you have it for Thanksgiving? Or like a nice dessert for like a children's birthday. You can like, here, I made some brownies. So this looks really good. So once it's like mine, let me just do this. Where did I put it? Okay. So now, what you're gonna do? Wait, do we have to do this? Because it looks like you're gonna lift it.
And why do you do that, Bella?
Because so there's no air bubbles.
Ah, okay.
Because once you're, if you don't do this and you put it in the oven, then there's gonna be air bubbles and then it's gonna look like it pops. So, Auntie Edith, can you help me put it in the oven?
I think, don't you have to put the fudge into the batter? We're gonna do 4 lines.
So guys, it's very hard to cook. You might get a little mess. On videos, it might look easy, but it's not easy. Because sometimes you might crack an egg, but then it might explode in your face. Or like you might like grab some flour and you might try to open it and it'll go on your face or like on you. Sometimes it's not hard, sometimes it is hard. But it's hard to be a chef.
So now you're gonna get some fudge and you're gonna just put it on top. You only need to do 4 lines. So then squeeze. I might do 3 lines, but that's okay. I could just do 1 more. Here, let me just fix that. And then I'll just do like 1 more in between one of them. It's mixing. Okay, so now you're gonna get a knife and you're gonna like spread it like.
Then you gotta do like that. And you're gonna do it like this. And then you're gonna do the next one. Wait, I do 4. Okay, and then you're gonna do the next one. And it looks real good. Doesn't that look really good?
It does, looks really good. It has a design to it.
Like nice design, like.
Yeah, very nice design.
So now the brownies are done. You're gonna bake them to 350 degrees, and they might take about like 35 to 38 minutes. So, Auntie Edith, can you help me put it in the oven?
Yes, baby, I'll do that.
Because you have to use an adult to bake it, because if you're an adult, then you can just bake it by yourself. So, see you back in 35 minutes to 38 minutes. Yeah. So the brownie is done. We checked. We put one of these skewers. Can you see all like that brownie? It was sticking a little bit, but here, I'll show you. See, it's sticking a little bit, but not that much. So we're gonna wait until it cools off, and we have to wait until it cools off, so then we can eat it. If we eat it right now, we're gonna be like, our mouths, they're so hot, they're burning. So the brownies are ready, and this is what it looks like. Super good. Can't wait to try it. I tried a little piece of it. But one of the taste testers is calling someone, so you might hear him in the back, but the other one's here that is sleeping. And he's gonna try this. So let me just get the other piece. Okay. Look at this. It's so good. Taste my wonderful recipe. Dang. How is it?
Really good.
Fantastico.
Good?
Look at this. Oh, good. Hey guys, and also like, subscribe to Nika and SRQ. Leave a comment down below and share with your friends. Bye!